Hello, in this first video let's talk a little bit about the point of this exercise and also what you should know already. So prerequisites are, you should be familiar with Laravel and you should have some sort of understanding of what Docker does and what Jenkins does, what the CICD pipeline is, and why is it good for you, why is it making your life easier to use CICD pipelines, to run Docker containers, to develop in Docker containers. If you are a web developer developing Laravel applications for your clients and all of a sudden you find yourself spending way too much time on deployment, then this video series will be very helpful for you. Let's face it, deployment takes time. It doesn't seem to be that significant when you're developing the application. However, once it's live and your client asks you to make changes, every time you make a change, if you do it manually, you need to SSH into the server, pull the GitHub repo, maybe install some packages, and that is just really time consuming. So my advice would be, in this situation, that you take an old laptop or an old PC and turn it into your dedicated build machine. The main benefit of this approach is that the deployment is not restricted to any platform. For this exercise, we're going to use only open source tools. And also I'm going to use Manjaro Linux because quite frankly this is my favorite Linux distro. And we're going to start configuring our build machine in the next video. See you there.